Hello everybody, I wanted to show a quick video, or do a quick video on replacing the Weedeater string in the Echo SRM-225 I believe, but all the Echoes should be the same, most of them. But when you do run out of string, most of the time the hole lines up with this little arrow right here, and there'll be no string in it, it'll be gone. But if it doesn't, you just rotate it until the arrow lines up with the hole, one of the two holes. There's one on each side, and two little arrows on each side. So the whole process takes like 30 seconds or 40 seconds, so we're going to do it in real time here. So here we go. First thing is get your Weedeater string. Sometimes there's a cutter on it, but I always have these in my pocket, so we're going to use those. We're going to go about to your height, because you can put anywhere from 15 to 18 feet in this. So just go one time, then double it, come back, and get that. So you'll have three little loops. Cut it. Grab it one end. Grab your Weedeater. Look for your hole, poke it through the hole, hope it comes out the other side, and if it doesn't, you just gotta poke it some more. And pull both pieces until they're about even. How's that on the video? Good. Walk it up. Grab one hand with this. Grab one hand here on your top part and one hand here on your bottom part, and then just hold your bottom part and then, or hold the top part and then just kind of rotate it. You're kind of wanting to rotate the top and the bottom as separate, so your technique is your technique. And just keep on going and going and going. You won't get tired. And then there's a cutter right here, so don't get sidetracked. And then right there, if it's a little bit longer, one end is sometimes a little bit longer than the cutter, it's good to just cut it off. Mine is perfect, almost, and that's what you want right there. And that's it. I don't know how long that took, but you can watch the video. And please subscribe, because this video is not very long, so I'm sure you made it to the end. And thank you very much, and welcome.